Hello, my dear children of Netaji Public School, Hassan, who are studying in 8th standard. Till now, in the chapter of creating charts in Excel 2013, that is our third chapter, we have learned about the formatting and creating a chart and the types of chart and how to add a chart layout. In this video, we will continue with how we can make the chart as a stylish, that is chart styles. Chart styles. You can format Excel chart components to make chart look more attractive. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to make that chart to look very more attractive. Excel also provides ready-made chart styles. To see them all, click the More arrow at the bottom right corner of the chart styles group. You can try different styles and choose the one that you like. For example, let's see. This is how we will get a chart options. Here in the tab we will select the design and there we can select how our chart must look. There are so many different types of charts. And this is a chart style. You can see there is a faded bar graphs and this we call it as a legends we know. And there is an handy hint. Let's see what they have given. You can use the chart formatting buttons to quickly add chart elements. Means there is an option called chart formatting. There you can select or add a chart elements very quickly and change the chart style and filter chart data. These are the three options we can find in the chart formatting section. That is chart elements, chart style and chart filters. Changing the chart type. Suppose we are using a pie chart. Then we suddenly know, oh, it should be not in the pie chart, it should be represented in a bar graph. Then how to change the chart type? Let's see. Click the Change Chart Type button in the Type group. That is the first step. And the second step is the Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Select in a new chart type and the desired layout. We know what is layout is. We'll select the Change Chart Type and then we select a new chart type. For that data, click OK. The selected chart will appear. See children, we have the change chart option in our dialog box. There we will select so many types of charts. We can observe here column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar graph chart and area and so many types of charts are available. So we will select if there is a pie chart in our window, we can just select the change chart type option and if we choose the column, it automatically converts into a column chart. Next thing is switching row and column data. That means if we enter the wrong data in the rows and column, we can replace those columns. How? Let's see. Click the switch row or column button in the data group. Then second step is the row and the column will be switched. It is very easy that if we enter the data of a column in a row, we will just switch that data into a column and then we correct those informations in the chart. Next comes Format tab. This is a Format tab which we can look in the design after the design section. So what we can do this Format tab? Let's see. The commands for formatting text and numbers in the chart are available on the Format tab. Means if there is any wrong data entered in our Excel sheet, we can change those data in the Format section or Format tab. Click on the title to select for stop. Then click the text fill drop-down menu arrow in the World Art Styles group and select a color from the drop-down color palette. Similarly, you can change the color of the axis title. Means if I want a colorful chart, first I am going to select the text fill of that word or sentence, then I will change that style of the word by word art styles. And similarly, you can change the color of the axis titles. Select the chart as a whole by clicking it. Click the shape fill drop down menu arrow in the shape styles group and select a color from drop down color palette. Let's understand by a window picture. Here in the Format tab, I can select the colors of the text. First thing I will select the text or the word which I want to be in color. Then I'll go for the font color that can be accessed in the Format tab. Then I will choose whatever color I want. This is a text fill. I am changing the color of that particular text. If I want a shape fill, that is, that background of the text should be highlighted, then I will select the shape fill options. In the shape fill option, I will select any bright color and here I choose a dark color because it will visible more attractive. So if I select an yellow color in my background, that is shape fill, I can select a red in my text color. So in this video we have understood the simple concept, that is how to change a color, that is the text fill and shape fill, and how to switch the row and column data if it is done by the mistake, and how to change the whole chart type, that is if I want a bar graph or other type of chart. If it is in a bar chart, I can change it into a pie chart. Like that, I can change the chart type and the chart styles also. I hope you have understood some concepts of the creating and formatting the charts. In our next video, we will discuss about the spark lines. Means how to give a graph for each row of a chart, that we will study in our next video. Thank you for your attention.